Before the start of the video, you will find a special offer in the description below the video. Shopify Review. Pros: user-friendly. Shopify's intuitive design and drag-and-drop interface make it incredibly easy to set up a store, even with minimal technical experience. Customization. Extensive theme options in their store, plus the ability to modify code for more advanced customization. App integrations. A vast app store lets you add features for marketing, shipping, accounting, and more, extending your store's functionality. Scalability. Shopify can accommodate businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Secure and reliable. Shopify handles security, hosting, and updates, providing a stable platform. Cons. Costs. Shopify plans can get expensive, especially as you scale and require more features. Transaction fees. Unless you use Shopify payments, you'll incur transaction fees on every sale. Limited free themes. While a good selection exists, the best-looking themes often come with a cost. Dependence on apps. Some essential features may require paid apps, increasing your monthly expenses. Less control over checkout. Shopify's checkout process offers limited customization compared to some competitors. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.